Now we are going to enter the exhibition hall. So let's see what will be there.
We are going to another session. That is a preschool session. Firstly,
It's a house.
the boat.
They are working.
There are working projects, and this is the middle section projects. So we started working. So